Don't be worrying, look, I'm only a learner, don't be worrying. Man, if someone sees me driving, there's the Whelo fella, he's a learner driver, like.
Yeah, if you focus on what we're doing, we'll be going the correct way.
Could do that, but I'm super quick like this, show, man.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? It's not my first rodeo. Who's the worst driver you've ever had? Do you remember the worst driver you've ever had?
I'll let you know when we finish today.
Oh, this is gas. Hello everyone, I'm Whelo and this is Glenn from Flexidrive. Today's objective is to see if we can still pass my driving test. I got my full licence 4 years ago and you're practicing?
I've been a driving instructor for about 7 years now.
7 years, so I might teach me a thing or two today and we'll see how we get on. Let's do it. Oh, safety.
Absolutely. Right, what we're going to do today is a mock test, Whelo.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So all I want you to do is, when we're ready to go, is to follow the road, keep going straight.
Yeah.
Using the rules of the road,
Yeah.
road signs, and road markings.
Okay.
Unless I ask you to turn left or right.
Okay.
Okay, if we come to a roundabout,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what direction I want you to go.
Okay.
And what exit to take.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, do you feel safe?
Not a bit.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Where's the hole? That's what she said. Let's go. Right, let's go.
Ready? Is your hair ready?
Your hair's ready, yeah?
Right.
You ready?
Right.
Okay.
So whenever you're ready,
I'm just gonna take a call when I'm driving, right?
I suggest you
Yeah, he's real serious.
Okay. So whenever you're ready, we'll move off and we'll go to the end of the road.
Yeah.
And at the end of the road, turn right, please.
Alright, yeah, grand, yeah. So checking the mirrors, checking the mirror, and you look over the shoulder, don't forget that one. You look over the shoulder. Ooh.
Yeah, this should be interesting.
Yes. Now he shouldn't have done that.
It's a shame you didn't put your signal on.
Oh man, he rat me out. Now he rat out me dirty, Glenn. See the cyclist up here?
I see him, do you?
Yeah, I see him, man, I see him. Now we can overtake here because there's brakes in the road, just to let you know there if you didn't. And I will indicate as well. I will indicate. And we'll give him about 2 feet, I think it is, for the horse.
Would you have overtaken him if there was no... If it was a continuous white line on the road?
I would have just drove through him.
Okay. Just so you know, you can cross a continuous white line if it's safe to do so.
Oh, can you?
If there's a cyclist there or an obstruction in front of you.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, we go down to the traffic lights and turn left, please.
Right.
No left.
Woo! We put a bit of music on, will we?
Yeah, we'll leave that for the end for celebrating.
And put a bit of the Whelo fella on.
Who?
Nice. I see what you're playing out here. I see you're out to get me.
Pulling anywhere along here. Not the bus stop. Anywhere along here, Luke.
Oh yeah, I'm in a learner car actually. So stumbling. So Glenn just made me pull in on the side of the road for no reason. He's trying to test how good I actually am.
I just want to see how you're going to pull in. If you're going to pull in safely and move off safely.
Well, Glenn, I have a problem pulling out.
I can see that, you didn't check your blind spot.
I did, man! I did! I went like this, look!
Wrong blind spot.
I gave it a little... Oh, stop the lights, Glenn. I'm not a bad pilot, I'm not.
Sorry?
I'm not bad. I'm not a bad pilot.
Okay.
Not think so?
I'll let you know at the end. You focus on what you're doing and I'll let you know at the end. Keep the hands on the wheel.
Yeah.
Never mind the hair.
Yeah.
You can fix that when we stop.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, there's no hairdressers open today.
Boy, we booked in.
You don't think it should be?
Look. There's a few things out there that we could do, yeah.
Right, so Whelo, what we're going to do now is something called a turnabout.
Ooh.
Do you know what that is?
No.
Oh, okay.
3-point turn.
Well, it's the new version of the 3-point turn.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is turn the car around.
Yeah.
using the full width of the road.
Okay.
Going forwards and backwards as many times as you need to until the car's turned round.
Right.
Okay?
Perfect.
Right, so you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay.
What about? Turn around every now and then I get it. Now, if we wasn't with you in the car,
I know exactly what
oh, it'd be like that. Yeah, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. And we look before we go, before we go. Leave me driving like a granny.
Check your road down there.
Yeah, no one there. Just a little taxi down there. Now we'd love to blow off like a wah. I was going to jam on there for the lap.
Alright, Whelo. You see the junction in front?
Yeah.
We're going to drive past this left-hand junction, park the other side,
Okay.
wait for further instruction,
Yeah.
and then I'm going to get you to reverse back into the junction.
Easy work.
Okay?
Yeah.
You ready to do this?
Yeah, okay. Let's do it.
And just park anywhere where the tree is. Left signal. Okay, so what I want you to do is reverse back into left-hand junction. Keep an equal distance between the car and the curb. Keep on going back until I ask you to stop. Unless you see a reason why you should stop.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
This is what I actually failed on in my own test. All those, many moons ago, as they say.
Yeah.
Many moons ago.
You've practiced since then, have you?
Ah, no, not really.
No.
Oh, I don't really fail that much, don't I?
Do you do much?
Do much what? Winning?
Anything. You said
Yeah.
you stopped failing.
Look at that. Look at that. You
Actually, in fairness, no, that's not bad.
You couldn't write that.
Pretty good. I'm gonna stop there.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. That's definitely worked out. Well done.
That was good, wasn't it? Big there, man. I can see an X on that already, man.
Well, Whelo.
Easy pass. Easy pass.
How do you think you're gonna?
I genuinely thought I passed. I'm a good driver. Driving 4 years, so yeah, I think I passed.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry to inform you, but if that was your actual test, it would have been unsuccessful today.
Okay.
Let me explain why.
Explain why, man.
Okay, first of all, you would have got a grade 3,
Okay.
which is an automatic fail. It's something that's dangerous.
Yeah.
Can you remember back to what you did that might have been potentially dangerous?
I didn't mean to knock her over.
I wasn't actually meaning that.
No, we went through the
She
red.
did get up afterwards.
I went through an amber light. I was meant to slow down, but I sped up
That's right.
because we were going for a point after. But
Amber light. What does amber light mean?
slow down if safe to do so.
Stop.
Stop
If it's safe.
if
to do.
safe to do so.
And it was perfectly safe for you to stop. And what did you do?
I sped up, getting through that light.
Yeah, was that the right thing to do?
No, obviously not. Obviously not.
And your clutch. With the marks you got in your clutch there, you can tell you're more used to driving an automatic than you are a manual.
Yeah.
You're overusing your clutch.
Yeah.
Okay,
Get you.
right. I'll leave you with that.
No worries.
You can book a few lessons in with
I
Flexidrive,
will indeed.
and best of luck for the
I will.
future.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.